Until now, I don't know what to feel. Like, kanina umiiyak ako, pero ngayon pang sobrang...
Yeah, siguro kasi right now, parang naghahanap ka kung ano talaga yung mas matimbang na feeling.
Yeah.
Pero don't. Don't. Okay? You're happy. You're relieved. Go, feel that. You're sad. Feel that. Okay? Hindi ka baliw kung ganun. Hindi ka... You know what I mean, di ba?
Yeah, it's normal. But like, it's like the hardest part. I thought it's gonna be easy. I mean, the thought of PBB, the concept.
Yeah.
But
Like dati.
today,
Like dati, ang drama naman nila.
like, but like today, I felt it. And hearing my name, it's like, it pushed me more. Like, to, kasi ayoko sayang. It's like I was given another chance.
Ako nung...
What did you feel?
What I felt, yun nga, hindi naman kasi kami close talaga ni Aizel.
Yeah, but...
But I appreciate her and everything. Pero compared sa inyo ni Justin, alam mo naman yun, di ba? Alam naman din ng lahat yan. Everyone knows. And yun, nung natawag yung name niya, ni Aizel, sabi ko, there's no way out, I'm gonna cry.
Really?
Oo. And, honestly, hindi ko inisip na sana si Justin, sana si Nick. Wala talaga, as in, blanco. Blanco talaga ako.
I think that speaks for everyone. I don't know what they're thinking, but I don't want to know. Pero like, for me, syempre, iisipin mo talaga sana ikaw yung sana ikaw yung
Siyempre. And it's not your fault for thinking that.
Yeah,
but you know, I mean, I'm not saying na sana ikaw yung... pero, I mean, I wish Justin had more time with us.
Yeah, we all do.
Like, isipin mo 3 weeks nun, 1 month na tayo magkasama, di ba?
Yeah.
Kung iisipin mo mabuti.
Hindi pa siya mag-New Year dito. But like, I'm also relieved na I was saved because like...
I mean, I'm happy.
Thank
Na nandito ka.
Kasi like,
Ngayon.
it's weird kasi like kanina, syempre medyo kinakondisyonan ko na yung sarili ko na if ever it's me, it's the last time I'm gonna see this.
I know.
Last time I'm gonna see this.
I know.
Like,
I know.
I'm packing.
I know.
It's messed up. It's messed up. But, yeah. I want this. But like, it's hard. It's really hard.
Yeah, nobody said it too. No.
I thought. I really thought it was simple, like the concept of nominating. Okay, then like,
Ako, honestly, dati, iniisip ko na sana every week may nomination, may election. Kasi, para, hindi, for me, kasi gusto ko, para mabilisan lang, kasi sinabi ko, parang hindi ko kakayanin na tumagal sa PBB, sa bahay na yun. Kaya sabi, kinumpute ko kagad, kasi diba, sa rule book, approximately 100 days. So kinumpute ko yun agad na kung every week. Tapos kinumpute ko pa yung adjustment period natin. Sa week 2 na, may nomination, gano'n. Pero ngayon, I wish na sana every month na lang siya. I mean, yung sagad na every month na lang siya.
Yeah, I remember your concept na parang buong 100 days nandito tayo, tapos may isa lang na big winner. It would be easier.
That would be easier and
it's not
that way.
Like, it's hard to get attached.
Last week I said, and a few weeks back I said na, it will be easy. It will be hard the first time. It will be easier in the long run, but it won't.
It's not. Now that we know the feeling,
and now that we know much more from each other, you know how everyone has grown.
Yeah, honestly, like 3 weeks. Yeah.
It's hard.
It's hard. It's really hard.
Like kanina, blanco talaga. Blanco talaga. I don't know. I mean...
Like during nung nagsasalita si Tony. I was like... As in, narinig ko na yung puso ko. Feel ko rinig na ng lapel. I don't know what to feel. Like... I'm still here. Pero... like, it doesn't feel 100%.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
I'm glad. My best friend is here.
I'm glad
Yeah.
I'm here.
But of course, I'm also sad that, I don't know, yung sa piring, tsaka till
Yeah,
us.
wala nang kumingi sa'yo.
Wala na.
It's so hard.
Ay, nobody will reassure me
Yeah.
how hot I am.
Oh my gosh. So yun yung kailangan.
Joke lang. Yeah.
So weird, like, especially if kakain.
I miss how noisy he is. Super, like,
Ngayon mo talaga mas na-appreciate yung
I mean,
tao.
na-appreciate ko naman siya
but
dati.
like now, it's,
Pero ngayon na nawala na siya, like,
it's gonna be, like, the house is gonna be empty. It feels,
I regret na hindi ako tumakbo agad sa kanya.
yeah, I saw you.
Kasi, hindi ako
But like,
blanco
don't
nga ako.
blame yourself. Because like, the whole thing is overwhelming.
Super blanco ko, tapos biglang pag Mika. So sabi ko si Justin, so hindi ko alam like nag-freeze talaga ako. Tapos akala ko we had more time, tapos pinamadali siya ni Kuya.
No, I knew it was gonna be fast.
I didn't, and yun.
So now you know.
And yun, when I had the chance talagang
Yeah.
may humila pa ata sa akin. Ayoko talaga. Or may humila sa kanya, ewan ko lang.
Sa'yo.
Oo. Kasi nakakapit ako. Nakaganon ako sa sweater niya. And sabi niya, bibigyan niya ako ng sweater.
I don't think he expected that. I mean,
Pero,
like you'll expect it, di ba? Pero ito na yun. Ito na yun sinasabi ko na i-expect mong ikaw, pero sana hindi ikaw. It's like the same thing. It's very like,
pero yun, I'm really happy. Natanggap siya ng dad niya.
I know he's strong. And like kanina, we were sitting there. Kasi diba tabi-tabi kami, tapos sabi niya, kamusta daw ba ako? Sabi ko, I don't know. It's like, I really don't know what to say. Ano nga ba talaga na-feel ko nung inaabangan ko na matatanggal sa amin na possibly ito na yung last moment. Parang, as long as I can, I would prolong the agony. So I can stay here more. And like everyone's there. Pero, yun sabi niya siya daw, parang gusto niya na lang daw maging over na either mag-stay siya or ma-evict siya. It's really, it's messed up. Like the feeling is messed up.
But I'm happy for him.
Yeah.
I really am.
Yeah. Pero ang strong niya. You know he wants to cry. He didn't cry.
I mean, he was teary.
Yeah, but like, if that was me, I would...
I just wished 5 more, like 2 more minutes, Kuya.
Yeah. And it was like 1 minute, like... It's a mess. It's a mess. Ang hirap. I'm very... I don't know. That's why I'm not speaking then because I don't want to make this about me. It's not about me.
No,
Yeah.
it is.
Why?
It's about each and every one of us.
Yeah.
So don't feel that way. It's all about you.
Yeah.
It's okay if you make it about you. I mean, kahit naman gawin mo yun, it's still not
Yeah.
100% about you, you know?
Yeah.
So don't invalidate your own feelings.
Yeah. That's right. I won't go. It's just confusing.
Yeah,
It's really confusing.
it is.
Especially now. That like, may inisip ka talaga, ano kung gagawin ko pag... Wala, pero parang wag mo naman sana. Tapos ngayon lang.
Pero yeah, yung sinabi nga ni Tony na,
Yung sa baby. Yeah,
like, I looked at you and, you know, like, I felt kasi something.
like,
Sure.
what do you mean?
Ha?
Like, nasad ka din.
Hindi naman, like, parang naisip. Kasi ako, di ba, nung kami dalawa ni Justin yun. Di ba kami yun, yung pinagpipilian?
Yung marahas.
Na-feel ko kasi yung naisip, di ba, alam mo yun? Naisip ko yung life ko.
Yeah, like,
If I'll be evicted. And na ano ko lang sa'yo na alam ko naisip mo, the life of being evicted. yung bright side of it.
Yeah, but like, at that moment, yeah.
Di ba? Parang,
yeah,
bang.
Pero no. Pero like, okay, no pa rin. Parang yun lang. Pero yeah. I missed Belmore that moment. Kasi like, sometimes, I forget about like why I'm here. Alam mo yun, masyado akong nag-distract sa ayan, so kaya, and like, masyado akong kampante and stuff. And now, like, being nominated, hindi ko mas lalo akong open, like, why I'm here, like, my purpose is.